If you want to learn Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse, you can just go to this Snowflake site and you can register for trial account. So unlike AWS, this cloud platform is giving you best value. Like even in trial account also, they're giving this trial account for 30 days and 400 credits. Whichever comes first, they will deduct. If you consume all 400 credits within 1 month, so you have to extend your trial. I mean, you have to extend your account, or else so that will be suspended. So for me, if I look at this, if anyone wants to learn Snowflake, it's the best to create trial account first and utilize all the services that Snowflake is providing in their web UI or another SnowSQL and those and all the techniques, and you can get familiar with the Snowflake here. A Snowflake trial account lets you evaluate, test Snowflake's full range of innovative and powerful features with no cost or contractual obligations. To sign up for a trial account, all you need is a valid email address. No payment information or other qualifying information is required. But in other cloud databases like AWS, there you need to give at least your credit card information, then only it will allow you to create free account. So once you consume some free credits, obviously they will start deducting from your credit card. But in Snowflake, you don't need to give your credit card details to utilize their free services. So what we have to do to create a trial account, I will show you that. In order to sign up for this trial account, you have to go to trial.snowflake.com. So here I already opened this web page. You can see that here, and here you can see they are saying this is 30-day free trial, and you can receive $400 worth of free essays with sign up. This $400 is nothing but equals to 400 credits. And when you sign up for a trial account, you have to select your cloud platform, region, and Snowflake edition. The cloud platform, there are three cloud platform is provided by Snowflake at this moment. They are AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. So my choice is I always go with AWS because it's there in most of all the regions. So in India also we have that in Mumbai. That's why I select AWS. And region, yes, as I said, in different regions that cloud platform provides the services, right? So as I said, in Mumbai you have one, so that we call it as region with respect to the cloud databases. And Snowflake editions, is it enterprise edition or other editions are there? Anyway, it's a free account, so we will select the best edition here. So that determines the number of free credits you receive and the features you can use during this trial. As I mentioned earlier, the trial continues for 30 days or until you have used up all your free credits, whichever occurs first. At any time during the trial, you can cancel the trial or convert the account to a paid account by entering a credit card. Yes, you don't need to wait till end of the month, end of 30 days. You just need to add your credit card and automatically it will become as a paid account. As I mentioned earlier, at the end of the trial, the account is suspended. You can still log into suspended account, but you cannot use any features such as running a virtual warehouse, loading the data, or performing the queries. But you can go to your databases, schemas, and tables, and you can verify the data. You can download the data using CSVs, but we cannot perform any queries on top of the data. And obviously, in order to perform the query, you have to switch on the virtual warehouse, but that is not possible. Whenever you try to go to switch on your virtual warehouse, it will say that your account is suspended and you have to add credit card. This only after 30 days. Okay. If you want to reactivate a suspended trial account, you must enter a credit card. Obviously, that will convert your trial account into paid account. And let me show you how to do that. First, I will create one trial account. I'm selecting this for India. And you can continue. Now we have to select the Snowflake edition. It can be standard, enterprise, or business critical. So by default, it is coming up as enterprise. So I'm keeping as is. And you can see high level advantages for this enterprise account. And choosing the cloud provider. As I said earlier, we have 3 cloud platforms here. I'm going to select AWS and the region. So I'm selecting Mumbai and the phone number. Yeah, right. So phone number, I have to give something. So okay, now click on get started. Account setup is in progress. Yes, now see an email to activate your account has been sent to my email. Now go to my email. As I said, it may take a few minutes to arrive, so we have to wait until we get that email. So that email is very important. Without that email, you cannot log into your free account. Now I have received that email. I open that. You have to click on this, click to activate. Now we have to give some valid username. I'm giving one my username. And click on get started. So you have to remember those username and password you just have given now, and this entire link. So this is unique to you because this is the ID of your Snowflake account, and this is the region and cloud platform address and .snowflakecomputing.com. So it's a combination of everything: your account ID and your platform, cloud platform region, and cloud platform name .snowflakecomputing.com. So this is unique to you. So whenever you want to log into Snowflake Web UI, you have to give this address only. After that username and password. Now your account is ready, and you can go to demo DBs or sample data is there. Yes. Now you can see the roles here. Now we have 400 credits. Let me show you those credits. Click on account. So you can see the usage of your account here and daily wise and how many credits you used here. So once you reach 400, that means your trial is ended.